Alright guys, so today we are going to go over solving functions and linear equations, solving them and graphing them. The step-by-step process makes it really easy, so you are encouraged to follow your own method, but if you're not quite sure how to do it, go ahead and follow these step-by-step instructions and you'll be able to do it in no time. So here we have the lesson that we learned in class, functions and linear equations. So here's a problem. It says graph each equation, y equals x minus 1. There's the equation. Now we need to solve it and graph it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw the table to solve the equation. So here's the table. We have the x column, the formula, which is y equals x minus 1, the y column, and the xy column. As discussed before, I like to go ahead and use 1, 0, and negative 1 for my x values. It just makes it easier for me. And now what we're going to do is plug in those x values and solve it. So wherever you see the x in the equation column, you go ahead and plug it in. So replace x with 1. So you get y equals 1 minus 1. Y will equal 0. Now you have your xy value, 1 and 0. Next one, you plug in 0 for x. So y equals 0 minus 1, which means y equals negative 1. Now you have your 0 and negative 1 for your xy value. Next you plug in negative 1. So you have negative 1 minus 1, y equals negative 2. So your xy coordinate or value is going to be negative 1, negative 2. After you solve for y in those three examples, you're going to use the xy column as your coordinate answers. Then we need to plot the coordinates and connect the dots. So first 1, 0 on the graph there's 1, 0. Then 0, negative 1, negative 1, negative 2. Now we connect the dots for our line, and there you go. We have graphed the equation y equals x minus 1.